Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to set the water volume on a Nespresso Essenza mini coffee machine just like this. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So as you can see right here, this is the Nespresso Essenza Mini. It's one of the variations that you could get. And there are essentially two buttons up here. It's very simplistic. You have an espresso and a lungo. You have a short coffee and a long coffee. Very, very simple. If you want to adjust the volume of coffee or water, I should say, caffeinated water, coffee water, whatever you want to call it. If you want to adjust the volume of water that comes out when you press each of these buttons, it's really, really, really easy to do. So first and foremost, you want to make sure that the machine is on. So it is indeed turned on. And if the lights are flashing, it's probably still warming up. So wait until you have these solid lights. When you have the solid lights, you know that it is ready to actually brew some coffee. So we're going to open up the lever over here. I'm going to take a capsule. This is already a used capsule. I'm just going to, just for the purposes of this video, I'm just doing some tutorials. I'm not actually making any coffee to drink right now. So I'm going to put just a spent capsule in there, and you're going to close the lever. Okay. Now you want to choose which one you want to adjust the volume for. Let's say I wanted to adjust the volume of water for the short espresso. You're going to press and hold down the one that you want to set the volume for. So press and hold it down. It's going to start brewing, and I'm going to continue holding this down. And essentially, once I get to the point where I'm happy with the volume of water that I want that to be set at, I'm going to release it and the light is going to blink. So let's say I'm happy at this point. I'm going to release it. And you can see it stops, the light blinked rapidly over here, and I've now set the short espresso water volume. So whenever I push short espresso, it's gonna go to that volume, okay? Really, really easy to do. And if you ever wanna change it or wanna reset it back to factory settings, you can just quickly and easily reset it back to factory settings. I've done a separate video tutorial on that. Really, really easy to do. And then it'll go back to the original brewing volumes. But that is actually essentially it. That is how to set the water volume on an Nespresso Essenza mini coffee machine. A simplistic but a full tutorial. Simplistic tutorial but also super full and complete tutorial. You can do it with the short or with the long. It's up to you. Whichever button you press and hold down, that's the button that you're going to adjust. That's the setting that you're going to adjust that for that specific one. That's really it. If you like this video tutorial because it was absolutely awesome, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.